Care workers being pushed to the limit because of surging COVID-19 patients, and they're worried as area hospitals are on the brink of capacity. Today, another local healthcare organization sounding the alarm on the shaking healthcare system in Northwest Missouri.
There is a surge right now, and we're having difficulty keeping up.
Sarah Sedlogic has been on the front lines of the COVID pandemic since day one, but she says it's never been this bad until now.
Nearly everyone I'm testing is coming back positive, and that did not used to be the case.
This Northwest health practitioner is another in a long list of healthcare workers speaking out, sounding the alarm that COVID is in our community and is getting worse, fast.
Our healthcare system is in crisis.
Buchanan County nearing 6,000 cases since the start of the pandemic and 80 deaths. Back in March, 10 cases, 0 deaths. Sedlogic says positive cases are not only more frequent, they're more serious.
And sicker. You know, I've had some patients that are a lot sicker than in the very beginning when we were testing back in March.
She says it's not just those with underlying health conditions getting sick. It could be anyone.
It's really random, and that's, I think, really scary because you just don't know. Am I going to be the one that has the serious effect? That's really scary.
Working the front line of the pandemic is truly a daily, exhausting battle.
COVID is on my brain all day, every day. Anxiety producing. I worry about my patients. I worry about my family. It's stressful because we see our patients getting sick and feeling helpless and not being able to help them, and they're being in the hospital, and the hospital's feeling particularly overwhelmed.
Thanksgiving is upon us. Healthcare workers plead to stay home and stay safe because at the end of the day, there's only so many of them to go around.
And we do not want it to be a situation where our medical professionals have to decide who gets treatment and who doesn't. We do not want that to happen.
Reporting in St. Joseph, Kylie Thomas, KQ2 News.
Northwest staff say their labs are getting overwhelmed by the volume of tests. It now takes an average of 5 to 7 days to get a test result back at Northwest Health.